This is the short video for the testing applications. I already tested lots of application and already uploaded a video how you can upload on the Google Play Console account a new app in the new console account. I have already updated and the testers are testing with 3 days continuously, and 11 days are remaining. If you want to know how can you upload the application on Google Play Console account, you can check the first video of this videos playlist. I already shown you lots of account. I am testing the testing service and also giving testing service successfully. Lots of account are now in live after the testing process. You can see that this is the application is now live, and after the testing and lots of account I am testing. If you need the testing service, please contact with me. I will publish your app after the testing. You can just contact with me. I will help you, provide you the testing list, testing members, and if you face any issues with your Google Play Console account, let me know. I will fix it.